What's the meaning of crash test? Crash test. Crash test.
Crash test. Crash test. A crash test is an experiment designed to evaluate the safety and crashworthiness of a vehicle. During a crash test, an automobile is accelerated to a specific speed and then intentionally crashed into a barrier or other obstacle. The outcome of a crash test typically involves analyzing the vehicle's structural integrity, occupant protection, and injury potential. Crash test results are scored based on a variety of factors, including the likelihood of injury for passengers and the amount of damage inflicted upon the vehicle itself. Ultimately, the goal of a crash test is to identify potential areas of weakness in a vehicle's design and improve its safety performance, ultimately preventing injuries and saving lives in the event of a real-world accident.